Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use these guys, little soap nuts, and how you can use these to do your laundry. So your soap nuts will arrive in a cardboard box like this, and the soap nuts are just inside. It'll also come with a little bag that you'll pop your soap nuts in to do your laundry. So soap nuts are a dried fruit from India. They're completely natural, organic, and easily compostable as well. So these are a great one also to use if you've got sensitive skin or eczema, and because it's natural, it's really soft on your skin as well. I'm going to show you two ways to use this one. So you can pop them directly in with your wash cycle, or you can also create your own laundry liquid from them. So first up, I'm going to show you what to do when you want to pop them straight in with your laundry. So with this, you pop 5 to 6 of the soap shells directly into the bag. And when you first use the nuts, you need to put them into boiling water or hot water for about 3 minutes, and that will activate the shells before you put them into your washing machine. So I've got this pan of water and I'm just going to pop them in there. Once they've been activated, you can literally take your bag out of the water, and then all that I do before putting on a wash is pop on a few drops of essential oil. I normally put lavender on, about 15 drops, and then that's what your laundry will smell like. So I've done that, and then I will pop it in the washing machine. Once you've activated your soap nuts, you can pop them straight into your washing machine. If you've got any stains or anything like that, just pop some bicarbonate of soda straight in here, a couple of tablespoons. And it's also good to note that soap nuts, when you haven't made the liquid yourself, make sure that you put the wash on at least 40 for them to work most effectively. The second one I'm going to show you now is how to make your own soap nut laundry liquid. So this one, you can prepare it whenever you want and just pop it in. It's 1 cup of the laundry liquid in with each load. So let me show you how to do that. For the laundry liquid, you put in 1 litre of water with about 8 shells or 25 grams straight in to the water. Now what I do is let that boil and then let it boil for about 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready. That same laundry liquid that you're currently making, you can use that also as a multi-purpose cleaner. All that you need to do is pour 400 ml of that liquid in with 100 ml of vinegar and any essential oils, whatever you'd like it to smell like, and then you can use that. Super simple. It even works as a great natural pesticide, so you can use the liquid that you make from them directly onto plants. Just obviously make sure that you spray a bit to test it first, but it's really great for that. And the soap nuts, once you finish with them, you can put them in your green bin or whatever you'd like, but you can also put them around your garden because they're really good at keeping slugs and snails away. That's a top tip. To finish up, you just strain the liquid to get rid of the actual soap nuts. Once this is cool, you can use this to do your laundry. I'd recommend that you store this in your fridge to make sure that it lasts for the longest. If you put the soap nuts directly into your washing machine, the same as if you're using them to make a laundry liquid, you can use them 4 times more. So just remember to keep them, remember how many times you've used them, and you can keep using them. If you're making the liquid yourself, you can store that in the fridge. So keep your liquid in the fridge and also keep the soap nuts that you're going to use a few more times in the fridge as well. So that's how you use soap nuts. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'd love to see what you guys use yours for.